Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hi. You want more information about how to encourage a male dog to mate? These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about how to encourage a male dog to mate is askville.amazon.com. Specifically the page titled "Does a female dog mate when not in heat and do male dogs?" Here's the link. You can also try alexadry.hubph.com, especially the page "How to Help a Dog in Heat" hub pages. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.ebay.com. The web page "How to Potty Train a Puppy eBay, Electronics, Cars." Here's the link.